Welcome to this lecture on Rothman's model of community organization. A model in community organization can be taken as a framework or medium through which social realities can be analyzed and interventions be executed accordingly. Various models have been propounded, some based on specific ideologies while others highlights the best practice in the field. Today, let us discuss about Rothman's model of community organization. Before getting into model, let us discuss what is community organization is all about. So community organization as a primary method of social work is defined as a process by which a community identifies its needs or objectives and develops the confidence and will to work at these needs or objectives and finds the resources. It can be internal or external resources to deal with these needs and objectives and takes action in respect of them. And in doing so, it extends and develops cooperative and collaborative attitude and practice in the community. So now, let us discuss about the advantages of one. It is helpful to understand the problem in a better way, and it facilitates discussion and reflection on the process of community work. And model gives insight in relating theory into practice, and it also helps in identifying the types of roles and skills a community worker is expected to play and the tasks and techniques that would facilitate in achieving the objectives. Now, let us discuss about the model. Lecture Rothman has introduced following three models of community organization, which referred as the core modes of community intervention. Those are locality development, social planning or policy, and social action. So locality development model, it is purely based on people, and it is called as a people-oriented model. So here, people help themselves to come out of the problem, whatever they face in the community, and it focuses on building or developing and maintaining harmonious interrelationship among different ethnic and social classes in the community. And it is based on the belief that community people should be involved in the planning, implementation and evaluation on matters that affect them. And also it implies that a community has certain specific needs and interests, and once people realize this need and work together democratically, they can take appropriate step to improve the quality of their life. And the role of social worker or community organizer here is to enhance the involvement of people in identifying and resolving their community problem in collective and collaborative manner, and thereby institutionalizing people's participation. The second model is social planning model. This model is characterized by a rational, deliberately planned, technical process of problem solving with regard to key social problems faced by the people in the community. Here, the focus is on solving social problems like health, education, housing, child development, etc. through technical and scientific process of planning and implementation of services. In this model, active participation of people is not a core ingredient. So level of community participation varies depending upon the nature of the problem or circumstances in the community. Agencies working in the community, governmental or non-governmental organization make use of data collected empirically or based on secondary sources to assess the problem, and they chalk out plans and execute in the community. And third one is social action. This model rests on the value of social justice and human rights. According to Rothman, social action is a strategy used by groups or sub-communities or even national organizations that feel that they have inadequate power and resources to meet their needs. So here, they confront with the power structure using conflict as a method to solve their issues related to inequalities and degradation. And this model has been used as a means to redress the social problems of the marginalized communities, redistribute the resources and power to the poor and poorless. This model is based on the assumption that disadvantaged section of the community need to be organized to demand their resources, share and dignified treatment in the society. The various techniques used here are demonstrations, strike, marches, boycott or any other attention-seeking acts. The role of community organization are various here. The community organizer can play a role of an advocate, activist, negotiator, and it depends on the situation and the stage of process of the social action. To conclude, model is nothing but the window through which community worker looks at the complex nature of the community. For the proper planning and implementation of the program, it is necessary to understand the different model of the community organization. And this helped community organizer to design strategies for ensuring the participation of people and also to foresee the prospective problems that may come across while working with communities and probable solutions. Thank you.